This month, our French winophiles are focusing on godforsaken grapes, kind of forgotten grapes, and my highlight this month is Bourgogne Aligoté. Aligote being one of the lesser known white grapes that can be grown in Burgundy. We're going to be featuring our Aligote with some little neck clams. We're going to cook them a la plancha on the grill. We started by heating up our ceramic grill to its reading in the dome about 650 Fahrenheit. A little bit higher than I had planned, but I think it'll be fine. And so first thing we're going to do is get the steamers onto the grill. Let's get this hot. Even though there's no moisture in there except for the clams, what they have inside, you can see we're generating quite a bit of steam here. Our next step is going to be to add the herbs onto the clams. Made a mixture of Italian flat leaf parsley, garlic, basil, some scallions, and those little cherry tomatoes. All right, let's add the herbs. Oh yeah. This last step could get a little dramatic. We're going to put some wine on to form some steam. So you can see there, got a little steam coming out. Now we're going to pull them off the grill. Steamers a la plancha.